December 15th, 2025. Alberta woke to a typical winter day, but by midday, the sky darkened and the wind howled with unprecedented fury. Trees bent, roofs lost shingles, and streets filled with flying debris. As dusk fell, the lights flickered, then vanished. Silence, broken only by the storm, settled over cities and farms alike. Hundreds of thousands plunged into darkness. The great December blackout had begun. People peered out at a world transformed. No streetlights, no glowing windows, just the wind and cold. Phones became unreliable as networks failed. It was clear, this was a province-wide crisis. Families huddled together, the cold creeping in as furnaces died. The blackout was a stark reminder of our dependence on the grid. That night, Albertans relied on basic instincts and each other. The wild had come knocking, and we had to answer. It was a test of preparedness, a challenge from nature itself. The blackout was just beginning. What caused this chaos? A supercharged Chinook, warm winds from the Rockies, collided with a massive Pacific low-pressure system. The result, hurricane-force gusts, over 140 kilometers per hour, tearing across Alberta. Power lines galloped, poles snapped, and steel towers toppled. The grid shattered into isolated pieces. Repairing it meant rebuilding in brutal winter. This wasn't a design flaw, but nature pushing past our limits. The storm exposed our vulnerabilities and taught us hard lessons. Understanding this is the first step to a stronger, more resilient future. The blackout's impact was immediate. Cities froze, no heat, no elevators, no water pressure. Grocery stores lost food, businesses shut down, and the economy stalled. In rural Alberta, farms lost water and heat. Generators became lifelines. Communities pulled together, sharing fuel, food, and support. Bakeries with gas ovens baked for neighbors. Pubs became warming centers. Families rediscovered board games, books, and conversation by flashlight. Kids learned to stay warm and entertained without screens. People melted snow for water, cooked on camp stoves, and found comfort in hot drinks. The blackout was tough, but it revealed resilience and adaptability. Neighbors checked on each other, and survival skills returned. The crisis brought people closer, even as it tested everyone. Alberta's spirit shone brightest in the dark. Emergency crews braved the storm, working non-stop to restore power. Line workers faced danger and exhaustion, driven by duty. Communities rallied, sharing generators, opening warming centers, and supporting the vulnerable. The blackout proved our greatest resource is each other. As power returned, relief swept the province, but the lesson lingered. Alberta is now investing in stronger infrastructure and smarter grids. The storm was a harsh teacher, but it made us leaders in preparedness. We faced the wild and emerged stronger, united by resilience and community. Always be prepared. Nature will test us again. Stay safe, Alberta.